friends, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is the tag video. This is the Thanksgiving tag video created by the Cooking Chronicles by Ingrid. And I am supposed to tag 3 different YouTube channels in my video so they can see what their answers are to these questions. And I'll leave the questions in my description box so they can easily find them. Number 1, any good wife always tags her husband in messes. So Thad's honeydew list, you're tagged in this. You have to answer these questions also. That's my husband, Thad. Number 2, I'm going to tag one of the funniest guys I enjoy watching on YouTube. He just makes me laugh on every video, and that would be Jim's Kitschy Kitchen. You need to do these tags, buddy. And 3rd is a friend of mine. I think she would enjoy these really well too. She does a lot of cooking on her channel, and that's Deborah Cabasa's Home Living. So those are the 3 channels I'm tagging. And here's the questions. What is your favorite Thanksgiving movie? Well, I didn't know there was one. So, but if there was, any movie, I love Hallmark movies. So whether it would be a fall Hallmark movie, it would be Hallmark. So that would be that. Cranberry sauce, homemade or canned? I don't like cranberry sauce. The only cranberry sauce I like is my mom's recipe, which I've never shared. And it is the best stuff you've ever ate. And I love her cranberry sauce recipe. And that's the only one I'll eat. So they're my favorite side dish. My favorite side dish would be sweet potato souffle. It's absolutely my favorite side dish for Thanksgiving. Black Friday. Okay. Black Friday, yay or nay? Well, it used to be, when I lived in Mount Vernon, I'd get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. Me and a friend would go out and we would have our Christmas shopping done by noon. By 3 o'clock in the morning. By 3 o'clock in the afternoon, all of our gifts were wrapped. Christmas shopping was done. Anymore, I'm a little slow. Black Friday equals me and Thad getting around. I don't know. We get out whenever he gets out, and he's slow. And we normally go to Menards, see if we can find a couple dog toys for the dogs, and then hit up breakfast. That's pretty much it. So now it's not as much fun. What would you name a pet turkey? Oh, this is funny. When I was younger, I lived on a farm. We had turkeys. We raised turkeys for Thanksgiving, for ourselves and others. I had a pet turkey. His name was Tom, of course. And what's your favorite Thanksgiving dessert? Mine would be probably peanut butter pie. The way I make it, it's a no-bake recipe. It's just Cool Whip, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and half a container of Cool Whip. Stir it up, put it in the pie, put the other half of the whipped cream on top. And that's a large whipped cream container. Put half in, put a cup of peanut butter, cup of powdered sugar, stir it up, and then put the rest on top of the pie on a graham cracker crust. It's like so simple. It's my favorite. You can top it with Butterfinger shavings or chocolate. That's my favorite. Or, I guess, pecan pie. Share a Thanksgiving tradition. Well, when growing up, I've never known a Thanksgiving that I didn't cook. Because as long as I can remember, I always helped Mom in the kitchen cooking. We'd always, back when I was younger, we'd always serve Thanksgiving dinner. And at that time of the year, it's either, I'm not sure, I don't remember. It's either squirrel season or or rabbit season, and all the men would go out hunting after Thanksgiving. So, and all the women would stay back and clean up. That was our Thanksgiving. And now my Thanksgiving's normally messed up in the last 16 years because my husband, I never know whether he's going to be home or out on the road. So I don't know, you don't know whether you're cooking on Thanksgiving or the weekend after. So it's a little bit messed up with his line of work. But that's what Thanksgiving is. And normally I always cook turkey, but this year we're changing it up. My husband wants barbecued ribs. So it's barbecued rib Thanksgiving this year. Would you rather watch football, the Macy's parade, or nap? I like the Macy's parade really well, but I keep missing it. For some reason, I forget when it's on. So I normally, the last 2 years, I ended up taking the nap. So, there's that. Favorite Thanksgiving leftovers. Go-to meal or snack. There's two things I like. I really like to make leftover, and that's turkey tetrazzini, which is really good. Great leftovers, especially if you still have company lingering a day or two after Thanksgiving. Or we've made a turkey taco bar, which is really good too. What is your favorite childhood memory? I already talked about that. In my childhood, as long as I could remember, I cooked and helped Mom cook. After Thanksgiving, all the men went out hunting, and the women cleaned up. And that was our Thanksgiving. And we'd always have a Thanksgiving dinner at church. That I really enjoyed. And when I lived in Mount Vernon, when it was just me and my mom hosted a Thanksgiving dinner every year for all the women at the church about 2 weeks before Thanksgiving. It was so much fun. We'd make the two main dishes. They'd bring in a small dish, and we would require them to bring 2 things with them. Well, 3 things with them. A small dish of something, what they were thankful for, and 1 Bible verse about Thanksgiving, which was really fun to see what they found, their Bible verse, and what they were thankful for. And we'd go around before the meal and read our Bible verse and tell what we were thankful for. We always had a great time. It was a great day. And that's one thing I miss about not being in Mount Vernon anymore. Let me know what you're thankful for, and leave it in the comments. I'm thankful for my health. I'm thankful for my husband and my fur babies, and to be where I'm at. And God is